Hello guys, welcome back and hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to clear cache and remove browser history on Google Chrome browser. So let's start the video. First open the Chrome browser. After that click on these three dots. Click on this option, clear browsing data. Now this will open this kind of window, clear browsing data. And there are two options, basic or advanced. So if you want to clear your cookies or your cache files or your browser history, you can select the basic one, and you also have the time period range. So you can select the time period for 24 hours, for 4 days, for last 4 days or last 4 weeks, or you can select all time. Now you have three options. You can clear the browsing history, all the browsing history, or you can also clear the cookies and cache files. So it's up to you. Okay, or if you want to go to the advanced mode, click on this advanced tab. Now here you can also clear the browser history. You can also delete the download history as well. You can delete cookies, cache. You can also delete the sign in passwords as well. You can also delete the autofill file as well. You can also delete the site setting as well. Okay, it's depends on you. So then click on clear data. That's it. So this will clear your cookies and browsing history. And one more thing you can do is you can also reset your Chrome browser settings as well. So on the left side, click on this option, reset settings. You will see this option here, restore settings to their original defaults. Select this option. Now you can also reset your Chrome browser as well. So this will disable the extensions and delete all kind of cookies and temporary site data as well. So you can also reset the settings of your Chrome browser as well. So we'll click on this option. That's it. Now cut your Chrome browser, and then after that reopen the Chrome browser again. So this is how you can clear cache and browser history on your Chrome browser. This is all for the video. Thank you.